Brace yourself, Los Angeles. La Nina winter is coming, and your furnace needs some love. Winterproofing your Los Angeles home starts with a happy furnace. Here are some quick tips to keep your heating efficient and cozy. First up, check your filters. A dirty filter makes your furnace work harder, guzzling energy like a thirsty camel. Swap them out every few months. Next, give those ducts some TLC. Clean and sealed ducts mean no heat escapes, and your house stays toasty without breaking the bank. Got a thermostat? Make it smart. Programmable thermostats help you save energy by warming things up only when you're home. And don't forget the pro checkup. A pre-winter inspection catches small issues before they become big, expensive problems. Finally, consider an efficient furnace with a high AFUE rating. It's like having a hybrid car for your home. Less waste, more warmth. Stay warm, Los Angeles. Follow these tips for a cozy, energy-efficient winter. Catch you in the next one.